Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about how to write an opinion essay. So your objective today is that you will be able to compose an opinion essay using evidence and facts from a text. So in this video we're going to talk about what a fact is and what an opinion is, and then we're going to talk about how to use text to form your opinion. So this real quick, a fact is anything that is known to be true. So for instance, the sun is very hot. Everyone knows it's true. That's not something you can argue. It is hot. The earth spins around on its axis. We have determined that that is a true fact. The earth spins around on its axis, and we cannot argue that point. It is a truth. Those are facts, guys. The sky is blue. The grass is green. Those are all facts. Nobody can argue that. An opinion, however, is a view or a judgment that you form over something. For instance, blue is the prettiest color. That's my opinion. It may not be yours. Yours might be purple or pink or green. And pizza is the best meal to eat. That, to me, is not necessarily true, but it might be somebody else's opinion. It's not my opinion, but it could be somebody else's. It could be like my 15-year-old son's opinion. His opinion is that pizza is the best meal to eat. That's fine. He can have that opinion. But usually your opinion is based on fact. So I'm going to read to you a text that I have chosen to form my opinion. Now, the opinions we're going to be forming is based on what you think the best season is of the year. Is it summer, spring, winter, fall? What is your favorite season, or what is the best season in your opinion, based on some facts? So I have provided texts for all 4 seasons into the module, so you'll need to read and find out which one is your favorite if you don't already know. If you already know, go read the text that is your favorite. So if summer's your favorite, go read about summer. If winter is your favorite, go read the text on winter. You don't have to read them all unless you don't know for sure which is your favorite season. Now, my favorite season is fall. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to read the text about fall so I can make sure my opinion is formed around facts. So I'm going to read this real quick, all about fall. The earth has 4 seasons. They are fall, winter, spring, and summer. Each season has different weather patterns, holidays, and seasonal activities. Let's learn all about the fall season. Fall forecast. The weather in the fall begins to get colder. The air feels crisper and the days become windier. It is time to put on longer pants and a light jacket. There is less daylight and many trees start to change color. The leaves are all kinds of pretty reds, oranges, and yellows. During fall, crops are gathered and fields are cleared for winter. This is because the plants stop growing until the spring. Many animals prepare for the winter by putting away food. Some animals grow thicker fur to keep warm from the cold. Other animals get ready for winter by preparing for hibernation. And this is a picture of some trees. Did you know fall fun fact, did you know Americans refer to the season as fall, but the British say autumn? So, fall holidays. Many holidays are celebrated during the fall. Some of these holidays are Veterans Day, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. The fall is full of fun activities and lots of good Thanksgiving food. Fall activities. The fall means back to school for students. Even though school is in session, there are still fun fall activities you can do. During the fall, you can play with the leaves, get lost in a corn maze, go bobbing for apples, or pick out a fun costume for Halloween. That means you can go trick-or-treating and eat lots of candy. Why do we have a fall season? The Earth is tilted on its axis, and it is orbiting around the sun. In the fall, the Earth is beginning to tilt further away from the sun. This is why the weather begins to become more chilly in the fall. Okay, that's right there. More chilly in the fall. Okay, so now I've read my text and I know all of my facts about fall. So now I am going to write my, okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to develop your opinion essay. And the way you're going to do it is 3 steps. You're going to write your topic sentence, then you're going to write 3 facts to back up your opinion, and then you're going to write your ending sentence. And so I have done an example for you so that you can know exactly what to do. So since fall is my favorite, the season I think is best, I wrote my opinion essay about the fall. And so here is my opinion essay. So fall is the title of my opinion essay. I maybe should be more clever. Fall is the best season, maybe. And then my topic sentence is fall is the best season of all. My 3 facts are in this body of the essay, and then my ending sentence is at the bottom. So I'm going to read to you my 3 facts. I really like fall because the weather starts to feel cooler. I love going on hikes, and it is much easier to hike when it is cooler outside. Fall is also the best because in the fall there are 2 fun holidays, Halloween and Thanksgiving. I always love eating candy at Halloween, and I always eat too much at Thanksgiving. Above all other reasons, fall is the best because I love seeing all of the leaves turn all kinds of pretty colors. And then my ending sentence is, fall is by far the best season of the year. Fall is by far the best season of the year. So in my topic sentence, it was my opinion. In my ending sentence, it was also my opinion. But in the body of my essay, I have 3 facts that back it up. My first fact was the weather starts to feel cooler. If you notice in my text about fall, it talks about how, let me go back over here to the fall one. It talks about how the weather begins to get colder. So that's my fact number 1. And then I talked a little bit more about that. Instead of just leaving it there, I included the reason I want it to be cooler. I like it being cooler because I like going on hikes, and it's easier to hike when it's cooler. So that was my fact, and then my reason why the fact mattered to me. And then in the next one, it talks about fall is also the best because there are 2 fun holidays. Right here, many holidays are celebrated. Veterans Day, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. So I have my Halloween and my Thanksgiving. Those are 2 facts. 2 holidays that happen. That's a fact. And then I talked a little bit more about that. I said I always love eating candy at Halloween, and I always eat too much at Thanksgiving. So I didn't just end it at the reason or the fact. I kept giving you a reason. And then in my last fact, I said above all the reasons, fall is the best because I love seeing all of the leaves turn all kinds of pretty colors. So that's my reason and my fact in the same sentence. It talks over here about how the trees start to change color. The leaves turn all pretty reds, oranges, and yellows. So my reason in this sentence, my fact is that I love seeing all of the leaves, and it's also my reason. So the leaves turning colors is very pretty for me. So I explained to you 3 facts about the fall and my reasons why those facts make my opinion that fall is the best. So you're going to do the same when you go into your assignment. You're going to pick your favorite season, read about it. If you don't know your favorite season, then go ahead and read all the text, so that way you can actually form your opinion over it. And then once you have formed that opinion, you're going to come up with a topic sentence. You're going to come up with 3 facts and reasons for your facts, why they matter, why they make that season why it makes your opinion about that season important. And then your ending sentence is also your opinion. So make sure that when you do your assignment that you are including all of these steps. There's also a vocabulary video that I attached to this same module or page in this module, so you can watch that. It's just a fun little thing. It'll kind of back up what I've said about using your facts to support your opinions in your opinion essay. So use those texts that I provided for you to be able to form those opinions, and then use this model of doing a topic sentence, which is your opinion, 3 facts to back up that opinion, and then your ending sentence, which is your opinion restated in a different way. All right, guys, I hope that you are working hard, staying happy and healthy, and I miss you terribly. Take care.